Okay, let's get started. So these are some of the products that I will be using while in the shower. Time to clarify. I'm using the organic black soap wash from Melodia to remove all the buildup from all the products that I used during this week. Following up with the hydrating shampoo, and I'll be using the one from Innocence. After fully rinsing out the shampoo, I'm going in with a hydrating cream conditioner from Innocence. After rinsing out the conditioner, I'm going in with the hair mask, also from Innocence. Now I'm going to put my hair up and let the hair mask sit on for about 15 or 20 minutes. And then I'll rinse it out. Here I'm just adding some more water throughout my hair before I start styling. Going in with my leave-in. Making sure I get the back of my head as well. Going in with the twisting builder from Camille Rose. Following up with the Aloe Whipped Butter Gel from Camille Rose. Now I'm gonna sit under this soft bonnet that's attached to my blow dryer. And woo, she's back with some moisturized and defined curls. Now I'm gonna get a little bit of the gel from Camillah Rose and just kind of tame my edges a little bit. And now I'm just gonna fluff out my hair a little bit. Well, that concludes this video. Thank you for watching. Make sure you comment, like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification for the next time I upload. Bye.